And just like that, the ice is gone. I haven't seen the water or the ice break up and go out like it did this year. I haven't seen it do that in a long time. I'm really sad that I didn't get down here. There's a couple of guys trying to get canoes out over here. Kayaks. They did it. That river's moving fast. See how high that water levels come up?
Which way are they going?
I don't know. There's an eddy right there. I wouldn't want to be paddling against the current.
Yeah. Are they just going in circles?
Yeah, maybe they just want to play around out there.
In the eddy?
Yeah.
Oh, are they trying to get on top of that big trunk?
I don't know. Look, they got there's 4 kayaks.
Is that the plan? It looks like they're trying to get to the...
They're trying to get over there on that. It's gotta be good exercise going against the current.
Yeah.
There they go. Gonna go down the river. I don't know how they're gonna get back out of there. See, look how fast that water is going. Crazy. Yeah, they're gonna have to go someplace. That's gonna be too hard to get out of there. You know, they slid out into the river from the ice. Can't get.
Where's a whole gang of bikers?
Right. All the people biking across there. So I received that box from my friend. I ordered some glass art from her. Some, oh gosh, I can't even think today, Mary. What's it called? Stained glass window things. So, so I was going to have Mary finish opening the box. I was warned that it had a lot of tape on it, so I took a box cutter to open that. So here, Mary, open the box. Okay. So this came all the way from Michigan to Alaska, and it got here, what, in like 3 days? Actually, pretty fast. She put lots of styrofoam, lots of bubble wrap. Did you use some scissors?
Oh, I see.
Don't break it.
I'm not trying to.
This would be bad. It got all the way into Alaska safe and sound, and then Mary breaks it. The dog wants to help. He's always got to have his nose in everything when you got it on the kitchen table.
Yeah, he's like, what's that?
But she's doing these art pieces from home. She's not working right now, and she's a beautiful artist. Her and her husband paint, and her husband's helping her make these. Look at how pretty. Hang it up on that hook right there in the middle.
Okay.
Pretty.
Ooh.
What do you think?
Very nice. I like it.
Yeah.
It matches all of our curtains.
That's what I said. See, our curtains are yellow. Got another one here. More bubble wrap, more tissue paper.
Yeah.
I'm in the dog spot. So he can't get right next to you or under your feet. Oh, I spoke too soon. Here he comes. There he is. What you got? What you got? Yeah, Crystal, you should have put some dog biscuits in there. What were you thinking? Beautiful. Here, bring it over this way a little bit so it's shining in the light there. Isn't that pretty? It's an iridescent tulip. Here, put it over here in this window. There's another hook over here. I think. Oh no, maybe there isn't.
I can hold it.
Yeah, hold it up in the middle there.
Kip's gonna snip it.
Oh my god! That one must smell like kitties or something. Does it smell like kitty cats? Here, put it up in the window, Mary. Come here. Go away. Oh, you're gonna be sassy. Don't be sassy. She tricked him. Oh, look at that. Isn't that gonna be pretty? Okay, I'll have to go find a hook now. I'm so glad we got those, Crystal. Thank you. Mary's sleeping. I'm quiet again. Nap time. So pretty. Hi. I'm going to be doing Dalgona coffee today, but I'm going to be doing it different. I'm going to make a Dalgona Mocha. And we're going to use the same recipe that everybody else is using for the Dalgona whip. And Dalgona. And except for I was wondering if coconut sugar would work, because we're trying not to do dairy and sugar around here. We've been doing a lot of it lately. So we're gonna get this coffee mix going. It's 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of boiling water. And I had to unbox my KitchenAid. I just bought. I couldn't resist it. I wanted one for so long, and it was almost $300, and it was on sale for $199 plus coupons. So I think all total I got it for $170 for the KitchenAid. Nice. I'm glad I finally got one. But yeah, I heard that the coffee whip takes a lot of whipping, so it's easier to do it with the KitchenAid. And I've seen a lot of people doing it with the KitchenAid. So we'll get it going here. That smells really strong. I hope that coconut sugar works. So my favorite live stream is on right now, so I'm trying to do this in a hurry. And this coffee stuff took forever to whip. Whippy! Oh my goodness. But what makes this different is that we took instant hot chocolate mix. This is Nestle's. The recipe called for Swiss Miss, but you take enough to make, 2 cups, because it's gonna make 2 cups, and you put four tablespoons of hot water in there to mix it in, because we're gonna be doing the same thing with the milk like everybody else does. So I'll get that going. Set that aside. And here I have my mason jars full of. We're going to use coconut milk, non-dairy.
No, it wasn't recording.
Mary had to go save me. We are not big coffee drinkers. So we like mochas though. And if you notice a little bit of color in there, looks kind of like water. I put a little bit of vanilla syrup because I see people putting flavored coffee cream in these because it's too strong.
Why?
So then we take the chocolate mixture. Oh, let me get I'll switch this out for the spatula here. Chocolate! We take the chocolate mixture and we put half of that in one and half of it in the other. You want to get me some tall spoons, Mary? And mix that up.
Ooh, like a chocolate milk.
Yeah, it's kind of like a chocolate milk. That's going to be our mocha part. You want to grab me that whipped cream that we made? The non-dairy whipped cream? Yep. It's in a little container in there. Then we take the Dalgona. I guess the go part is supposed to be like go, like caffeine.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
And we put that
It looks like peanut butter.
on top. I know, isn't that crazy? You can hear my Instagram live in the other room there.
You mean YouTube?
YouTube, yeah. He's usually on Instagram.
Yeah.
We're listening to Leg Life. They're talking about relationships. But my relationship's okay because we kind of do what we want to do. I put more coffee in mine.
I think the main thing is not to hold grudges.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
And I need like another spoon, Mary, or something. Wanna grab me another big spoon? Sure. And there's the foam. The Dalgona foam in.
Yeah, sure.
Not the prettiest. Here.
That's pretty good.
We'll put some whipped cream on top of that. I made some non-dairy whipped cream the other day for... Oh, what did we make it for? Pudding.
Key lime pudding.
Yeah, I made key lime pudding. Okay.
Let's see how this tastes. You're gonna take the first sip.
Just to mix it up. Wait, I forgot which one I put the more coffee in. Maybe that one.
This
Which one was in the back?
That one?
This one was in the back?
I think so.
Oh. Okay. Let's see what this tastes like.
Maybe it'll get me through the rest of the day with all this homework.
Oh my gosh.
It's good?
That is really good.
It's really good.
That's really good.
Mm. Let's try. Like our makeshift stand here.
Wow. Yeah, for somebody that doesn't like coffee, this is really good.
Or like cut off your head there for a second.
Yeah, for somebody that doesn't like coffee, this is amazing. I like mocha. This is amazing.
This is good.
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
And there you have it. Dalgona Mocha.
Yeah, I'm thinking much better than how most people have been making it.
Yeah,
I feel like
see a lot of people when they first make the Dalgona coffee, they're like, whoa!
Yeah, they have high expectations and then they taste it and they're like, this is like straight up coffee and milk.
Yeah. And I think the coconut milk probably makes it better too.
Yes, love coconut milk.
Okay, let's go finish watching this live stream.
Yay.
I slept 2 hours and it's getting light outside. This is 4:30 in the morning.
Wow. It's not even halfway. Okay, stop for a second. Ugh. That was slime all over.